Hi everyone, I'm in college now, so can't really do firing demos and stuff because the dorm is tiny, but Breacher is fully released. So yeah, go build a Breacher. Go get a Breacher, build a Breacher. It's great. Yeah. Hardware kits are on Out of Darts, Silver Fox, and Bears Wares websites. So if you want to buy a hardware kit, you can do that, or you can self-source. The spreadsheet for the hardware is on my printables page, and the files are up for free on my printables page. So go download them and print them. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's all that I've got. So Breacher's out. Go build one. And thanks for sticking along with the development process. It has been a lot of fun. Well, it's been a lot of fun, but also a lot of work. Almost 3 years of developing this blaster from scratch. So, yeah. I'm glad to finally have it done. Would have been nice to not have to release it while I'm in college, but that's how things go. So yeah, go build a Breacher. It's like Build-A-Bear, but more nerfy. Yeah. Alright, thanks. I need to put this down to wave bye. Bye!